Alaikum wa rahmatullah. I welcome you all to the class. In our last class, we learned Arabic letters Ha to letter Dod. Letter Ha to letter Dod. So quick one. We are going to review what we learned in our last class before we proceed to what we have for today. Arabic letters. In our first class, we learned lesson 1, Alif, 2, Ha. In the second class, we learned Ha to Dod. So for this class, we are going to be learning letter Dot to letter Mim. Letter Dot to letter Mim. Like it is our usual way of learning, we are going to review what we learned in the last class first before we proceed to the new lesson. So in the last class, we took Ha, 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 which is spelled and pronounced Ha, Ha. The next is Dal, Dal, Dal. Val, 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 Val. Next one, Raw, 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 Raw. Next one, Zai, Zai, Zai. The next one is Sin, 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 Sin. The next one is Sheen, 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 Sheen. We have the next Sword, 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 Sword. Next one, which was the last one we did in our last class, Dog, 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 Dog. So let's take it from Ha, 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 Dal, 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 Zal, 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 Ra, 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 Zai, 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 Sin, 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 Sheen, 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 Sword, 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 Dod, 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 Ha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Zai, Sin, Sheen, Sword, Dod. So that is the revision for the last class. Today we are going to start from Dot, where we ended last class. Dot, Dot. Now we are stopping at meme for this class. We have the do. Now this is to, to, to. This is different from the pure T sound. It's different from what? The pure T sound. We have to note this. The, 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 ein, 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 ein. Ghain, 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 ghain. Fa, fa. Please note, this is not fa. This is fa'un. Fa'un. Fa. So the short form, fa, fa, fa. This is hof, 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 hof. This is kaf, kaf, kaf. Lam, lam, lam. Mim, mim, mim. So let's start from the beginning again. Dod, dod, dod. To, to, to. Zo, zo, zo. Ain, ain, ain. Ghain, ghain, ghain. Fa, fa, fa. Qaf, qaf, qaf. Kaf, kaf, kaf. Lam, lam, lam. Mim, mim, mim. For the last time. Dod, to, zo, ain, ghain, fa, qaf, kaf, lam, mim. This is where we are going to stop until we meet in the next class. Assalamu alaikum.